Hello guys, welcome to Ratified channel. My name is Napi, and in today's video I'll be giving you a complete guide on how to use the Lite version of Binance. So Binance Lite was introduced in February 2021 and it's the default mode you get when you download the app on your mobile phone. Whether you're Android or your iOS, you can still use the Binance Lite version. So this is a simpler version to use. It has a very simple interface. It's easy to navigate, and it's basically for older users or beginners, novices and people who are new to crypto, and of course intermediate users as well. Binance Lite tends to remove excess noise from the interface. So it usually removes the less frequently used features on the interface of the app. So before we move ahead, in exchange for the value I'm going to give you from this video, I would like you to please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. So if you're new to Binance and you're yet to sign up, kindly check the link in the description to sign up. So with all that being said, let me just take you around the app and show you how to use it as a beginner, a few do's and don'ts and things you really get to use when you're using the app. So first of all, this is our home page here, and the first thing you're going to see is the markets, the favorites, and your filters. This is where you select how you want the list of coins that are showing on your home page to be shown. If you prefer them to be shown by the market capitalization, you select that. If you prefer them to be shown by their prices or by the 24 hours change, you select which you want. For now, I'll just use the 24 hours change here. So on this other side, you get to see the different cryptocurrencies that are available for you to trade with on Binance. Here we have the feeder, which is the bond feeder. Next to it is the charts. This is the current chart of this particular coin, and beside it is the current price. And just below it here in green is the 24 hours change, and as you can see, that is actually happening in real time. You can also see other coins here. You can see the USDT here, which is the US Tether. It tethers with the current price of the US dollars. Here is the Pax Gold, the USD. There's so many coins on Binance, so this is where you get to see them. And notice one thing too, the charts tend to change colors here. The first 5 charts here are in green, while the middle one is in somewhat gray color, and below we can see red colors. Now this simply means that presently the coin is getting bullish compared to the last 24 hours, which means the current price is actually going higher than it was in the previous 24 hours. And this works with time, but with time you get to understand these things. The ones in gray actually means there is no peculiar change from the previous price to now, and that is why you can see they are 0.00%. And the ones in red means there's a reduction in price from the last 24 hours. And currently we're having a very bearish market in crypto, so that's why you have a lot of them in red. But well, hopefully things are going to get better soon. So here you see the list of coins. You can scroll down to see whichever one you want, and there's an easy way to find a particular coin you're looking for. So let's say we are looking for sand. Instead of having to scroll through all of this to find sand, you can simply come to the search button here and type sand. And now it shows us sand, and if we want to see or have a clearer picture of the current market price and the percentage change of the sandbox, we can just click on it here and it's showing me a clearer view. Here I can see the current price, the percentage change as well. Now I can clearly see the chart. I can also adjust my chart to be on the 1 day time frame or 1 week time frame, depending on how I want that to be. I can also use 1 month as well. But as you can see, this chart is very easy to understand and read. It's not the same when you're using the Binance Pro. I mean, you're going to have a whole lot of clusters, a whole lot of noise around the chart, which of course is very good for those pro traders and those who are, used to trading. But as a new beginner or someone who just wants to take a quick glance at what the market price is, I think the Binance Lite offers a very good platform for you to see that. And of course, this is where you can convert your coins easily. You can just below here you can select the conversion tab and select the amount of sand you want to convert and select the coin you want to convert it to. Here you can as well search for the coin. So let's say I want to convert my sand to the USDT. I select that and I select, if I have, let's say 250 sand, I can impute that. If I want to select the whole sand I have, I just tap on max here and it will impute that for me here and then show me the conversion rate here as well. But I'm not just going to do that. I don't have sand at the moment. I'm also not willing to convert any coin at the moment. I just want to show you how that works. This is where you get to see the news relating to this particular coin, or generally if you want to buy sand, you can easily click on buy, and this is telling me the current coin cannot be purchased with fiat currency. Please buy USDT first, then use conversion function. It's telling me that I cannot buy this particular coin directly with fiat. Fiat money is the paper money that we have, like having to transfer from our bank account to the Binance wallet. So at the moment, this particular coin can't be bought with that. So you have to try out which coins works for you. Of course, you can buy the bigger coins, BTC, the Ethereum, and USDT as well directly from your fiat. And it also depends on the country you are. Some country have several restrictions on their monetary policies. And there's another quick feature I want to show you. So let's say the coins I would like to always check out anytime I come to Binance are just 5 of them. And of course, they are never closed. I'll have to scroll and scroll and scroll each time I want to see them. So let's say I always want to check Kava. What I do is just right above here at the top right corner, I can see a star, which is the favorite button, and I just check that. And it shows me success. Let's say I want to also always see the price of hot. I do the same with hot. And so each time I log in or open my Binance Lite app, there's a way I can easily access those 5 coins I just selected now, which is by tapping on this button right here to see them. Now here I can easily see my Ethereum, the Waze X, the Cardano, the Holo, Kava, and Glimmer. Of course, I didn't add Glimmer right now. I had added that before now. So here is just a very quick way to see the market's prices of these coins at a quick glance. So another feature I'd like to show you is where I can take a quick look at my total balance of the coins I have on Binance. So I can just click here and it's showing me my total balance is $185 at this moment. So to break this down, I can see my assets here. I can see that I have $100 worth of USDT, and I can see that I have $78 worth of Ethereum. I can see I have the Porto fan token, and I have that about $7 worth of it, and a very little fraction of BNB and the Cardano. So that's all I have for now. You can see I have 0 balances for other coins. These are the major ones I have at the moment. The asset location here is just showing me a pictorial view of my total assets at the moment. And if I want to make a deposit into my Binance account, I can just click on deposit here, and it will ask me if I would prefer to make that with the fiat currency or I want to deposit with my crypto. Whichever way I want to do that. I can also see the suspended transactions for now. I can't use ADD or ACA to deposit at the moment, and some other coins as well. So if I want to deposit with USD, I'll simply select USD here, and it will take me to another page where I have to fill in my details to make the payment and all that. You can just follow the process and deposit the money as you wish. You can select USDT here and click continue. But right now I don't want to make any deposit. This is just an instructional video. I'm just trying to show you how to do that. If I also want to make a withdrawal, if I want to withdraw, currently I have $184.94 here. If I want to withdraw this money, I can click on withdraw to get it, and it's asking me what currency do I want to withdraw my money in. I can use the USDT or whatever currency, whatever country you're from. If you're in Europe, you can use the euro. If you're in Nigeria, you can use the Nigerian naira. If you're in Ukraine, you can use the Korean currency here. Or if you're in UK, you can use the British pounds. And if you want to withdraw crypto, like if you want to send it to another exchange or send a friend or gift a friend, you can use the crypto option here. You can send Cardano, BNB, Ethereum, Porto, USDT. And from what I understand here, it just shows you the coins you have at the moment. If I had other coins as well, I'm sure the options would have come out here for me to select and send to my friends as well. So yeah, that's basically it for this feature. And I'm going to take you to, there's a quick button where you can buy and sell, which is this middle button here. When I tap, I can see the buy, sell, and convert. I've shown you how to buy. So there's a quick button here where you can buy your crypto with your local currency or your fiat money. So here you can buy any coin of your choice. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin here with my local currency. Your local currency might be the US dollars or the pound sterling or euros, naira. But for this particular video, I'll be using the USD. So let's say I want to buy $500 worth of Bitcoin. I simply type it here and I enter buy. And of course, it's going to show me the available platforms where I can get my local currency from. So for this video, I have ATM. I can pay with my card, my debit card or my credit card. I can pay with Skrill, and it's also showing me the amount of Bitcoin that will be sent directly when I pay $500, which is written here as you can see right here. So I can select whatever platform I want to use, then go ahead to make the purchase. But I'm not going to make any purchase. I'm just showing you how to use that. If you want to enter a particular amount of Bitcoin and buy at whatever price it offers you, you just need to toggle this button here. And so let's say I want to buy 0.85 BTC. So I click buy, and of course we load and show me the available options that I have. For this video, I have the pay with card option, which I can confirm, and as I can see, it's already counting down already. So while making your purchases, you need to be as fast as possible so Binance doesn't cancel the transaction. And these are security measures that Binance take to, prevent scam and hacking and all of that. So this is a countdown. You need to pay within this time frame and make sure your money reflects here before you trade. So this is basically it, and I hope this video was really helpful to you. I have more videos coming up, and make sure you like and subscribe and turn on my notifications so you don't miss out on more educating videos.